Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the British Royal Fanatic Podcast. I'm Hayden, your American friend with a passion for British royal history. If you enjoy royal media, in addition to current events and history within the British royal family, then you have found your home. And if you could, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon down below so you can stay up to date on all things happening here on the channel. It's been an accidental minute. There's a lot going on in my personal life right now that I'll share in a bit, but it's made keeping my production schedule a little bit difficult, but we're here, and we have something that I personally enjoy. We have another royal unboxing today. We have another one. This one took an incredibly long time to get here. This one probably will be the longest package that I've had to wait for in a very long time. I ordered it off of Etsy. Today, we have a replica Fergie engagement ring. Fergie, the Duchess of York. I have a replica of her engagement ring. This is what it's supposed to look like around me. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what this was advertised as on Etsy, the Monarch shop. And it took so long to get here that I forgot it was coming. And I actually already started to get it open. I forgot it was arriving until about a week ago when it did get here. And I was sat scratching my head wondering, what is this? But without further ado, let's just get right into it. Already for starters, it's a little disappointing. Let me put over here. It's, as you can see, it's just in a bag, which actually in terms of packaging, this is probably the most disappointing packaging here, but it's also bare minimum. It's the ring. It's keeping it safe. And let's actually take a look at it. This, it's not bad. It's not a bad replica. Again, it's in my actual size. And it puts into context, when you see pictures of Fergie's actual engagement ring, it is pretty small. It is pretty small. But one of the things to point out is that this one is in more of a rose gold. And I do believe her actual ring, we'll put comparisons here, is actually more of a yellow gold. So that's just a little bit off here. But it is a ruby set with diamonds around. And in fact, you can see the influence. You can see the influence of Diana's ring. When you look, when you compare them side by side, and I'll have a larger picture, you can see how Diana in 81 very much referenced fashion with this one all the way back in 86, I believe. If I'm to be honest, I appreciate Diana's ring a little bit more. I like the size of it more. It's even knowing it is gigantic. But this replica, I don't know. This one was the cheapest one that I've purchased so far. The link for it will be down below. And just, I don't know. When looking at them, when comparing them together, I don't know. This one was actually the more disappointing ones. I have another tiara on the way. I have a few more other things up my sleeve for royal replicas. But this one, yeah, it doesn't have like a ring box to like keep it all together. It's just a bag. It took the longest, and the packaging was the most disappointing out of all of these. But royal replica, this one, I don't know. Fergie's ring itself is beautiful, but you can see the Diana influences in it, whether intentional or accidental. There we go. This one was kind of a letdown. We hit it out of the park with Diana's engagement ring and the Spencer tiara. We really hit those out of the park. But these are kind of disappointing. But there we have it. Another royal unboxing. Another royal replica to add to our ever-growing royal collection. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any royal jewelry that you'd like to see, if I could get, if there's replicas of it, or see what we can do there. There's a huge market of these replicas. Let me know down below. Also get excited. This week, The Crown Season 5 comes out, and we are going to do a quick turnaround with a review for that. We have more content about Harry's book coming out. We have so much more content on the pipeline, but let's see if my personal life will be able to warrant a better production schedule, because there's a lot going on right now that makes me want to pull my hair out. But with that, everybody, again, let me know down below, and I will see you in the next one.